importance of patience and discipline in trading. This is a series developing your mindset. If you haven't watched our other videos, check them out. We'll have the playlist set up on our profile so you can access them easily all together in one place by topic. We'll have all the other topics combined together on our YouTube channel as well. So whatever you're looking to learn and develop into, it's all there in one place for you. So the importance of patience. Well, as we talked about in the previous video, you need to follow the rules and stick to the strategy that your business gives to you so you could execute properly, right? Now that's where patience comes in. You need to be patient and let the strategy and rules play out, because if you're not, that's when you start getting emotional and you start doing things that don't align with that strategy and rules, and that's when you start to find yourself in trouble. Now, patience and discipline work together. You need the patience, but that's where the discipline comes in. You need to be disciplined enough to stick to your strategy and rules, have the patience to wait for those strategies and rules to play out, and the discipline to execute when that does happen. Don't be emotional like, okay, everything's checking up, but maybe I don't get in the trade. I just don't feel right. If your strategy and rules say yes, and you've back tested them and you trust these, you know profit happens when you follow these, you need to not be emotional when it comes live in the market and everything is checked off and you're like, okay, the only thing left is to enter this trade. And when you have your take profit and stop loss, you need the patience and discipline to wait and execute at those levels, because that is something you have back tested and your strategy and rules say so. Now, if you haven't done that already, again, you need to go build your trading plan and strategy, risk management, all that stuff. We have the journals in place that give you those key areas to write about, whether you want the digital form or the actual paper copy. Link in the description, check that out. But patience, it's really hard, and we're going to have more videos on patience and discipline, as well as we're building out a full course, The Mindset of a Trader, where we dive into all of this. And if you're still brand new to trading, we have a course coming out. Depending on when you're watching this, it may already be out, but it's called Becoming a Trader, and that is going to build out all the foundations you need to become a really strong and profitable, consistent trader, because your foundation is so strong. You're not going to get pushed out of the markets. You're not going to get taken advantage of. You're not going to blow your accounts, because you have such a strong foundation and understanding of trading and what it takes to become a real trader. So how do you develop patience and discipline? First step is to understand that trading is a long-term game. This is not something you could rush. I know everyone's pushing out these clickbait titles of how I made this much in a day and this, but that is not their first day of trading, first of all. Some could be lying, but that is definitely not their first day of trading. They have been trading for a long time to get to that point. So you cannot see that and then think you're going to go execute that, and that is what you should be doing tomorrow or today. You need to keep that in mind. That's your long-term goal. You'll get there eventually, and you need to break that down backwards to today about some small actionable steps you could do today to get a stronger week, stronger month, stronger quarter, stronger year, couple years, and get to those big term goals that you have. You can't go A to Z. You got to go through the whole alphabet, right? A, B, C, and work into that Z, your end goal. Now, you need to trust your system. I know it's hard, but that is where back testing and forward testing comes in. You're constantly testing this week after week, day after day. You're going back through the trading session that just finished to see if any setups formed that you missed, or maybe you don't trade the PM session, so you go through the PM session and you look, any setups formed, okay, look, boom, 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 it plays out. My trading strategy and rules are profitable. There may be some losses, but overall, every time I test it, profits do come out. I need to stick to the strategy. I need to stick to these rules and keep working on that, and your patience and discipline will come in line with that. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, definitely subscribe, click that thumbs up, click the link in our description to get access to our journals, all of our social medias, as well as any products we do offer. Like I said, depending on when you're watching this, the course already may be out, but we do have some free courses down below you could get started with. So check that out. Can't wait to grow with you this year. I hope this is your year. If you just stick to the plan, you'll become a consistent, profitable trader that you have always dreamed of.